In today's video, I'll teach you how to check old deleted messages on Instagram. So first of all, launch up an Instagram application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, Instagram has been opened. Initially, you'll play to the home interface. So if you want to check the old deleted messages, there's no direct option to do it. In order to do that, what you have to do is simply recover all of your messages. For that, what you have to do is download your messages. In order to do that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings and activity interface. At top, you'll be able to find this option for account center. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to access the account center. Make sure your profile is selected over here. Now over here in the account settings interface, at third you'll be able to find this option for your information and permissions. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find various options over here. At first, you'll be able to find this option for export your information. Tap on it. Now you'll be redirected to this kind of interface. What you have to do is tap on this option, create export, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find two options, export to device, export to external service. Tap on this option, export to device. Now you'll have to confirm your export. Before doing that, what you have to do is tap on this option, customize information, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to customize the information that you would like to export. You'll be able to find this section for your Instagram activity over here. First of all, tap on this option, clear all. Now what you have to do is scroll down. Now only check this option for messages. If you only check this option for messages, only your messages will be exported. That means you'll only be able to access the information regarding your messages. If you want other information to export it, you can check other options as well. Also clear all the personal information. If you clear all of them, the export will be easier and faster. Now after you do that, tap on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, only messages has been selected over here. You can also select the date range if you want. For that, tap on the option of date range. Now what you can do is simply tap on the date range of your choice. Now tap on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can also select the format, tap on the filter format. Now you'll be able to find two options over here, HTML, JSON. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you can also select the media quality if you want. Tap on the field of media quality. Now you'll be able to find the options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Now once you customize all of these, what you have to do is tap on this option, start export, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to re-enter your password in order to continue. Make sure to enter the correct password. Now tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, your information is being prepared for the export. You can see over here, you'll be able to see a request over here. Once the information is prepared, you'll receive the email regarding it. You'll also find the link over there. All you have to do is tap on it. After you do that, you'll be able to get the information regarding your messages. In that information, you'll also be able to see all of your deleted messages. So like this, you'll be able to check the old deleted messages. So that is how you check old deleted messages on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.